Welcome to the Awesome Kids Art Hub. Today we are drawing a helicopter. Did you know sometimes they are called a whirlybird because of the way its blades spin around like a bird's wings flapping? Unlike airplanes, helicopters can go straight up, down, sideways, and even hover in one place, like magic. Helicopters are superheroes in real life. They help rescue people from mountains, oceans, and even from floods. The sound a helicopter makes when flying is often described as a chop chop chop. Can you say it like a helicopter? Helicopters don't need a runway. They can land on rooftops, ships, or even a tiny patch of grass. Some toy helicopters are even made to look like animals, like bees or dragons. What animal could your helicopter look like? If your helicopter could go anywhere, where would it fly? Maybe to Candyland, Dinosaur Island, or outer space. Like and subscribe to watch such more videos.